DJI has once again ignited excitement in the drone world with a mysterious leak that has enthusiasts buzzing about the rumored DJI Avata 360. The leak appeared briefly on China's Xiaohongshu platform before vanishing, but screenshots spread quickly online, giving the first potential glimpse of DJI's next big innovation. If these details are accurate, the Avata 360 could redefine what creators expect from a 360-degree drone. The listing suggested a starting price of just 2,988 yuan, around $426 for the drone alone, which is surprisingly low for DJI, known for its premium pricing. The leak also mentioned several bundles, including one at 3,988 yuan with the DJI RC2 controller, and two premium packages at 5,688 yuan, including extras such as flight goggles, additional batteries, a charging hub, and even a motion controller for an immersive FPV experience. The rumored specifications are equally intriguing. The Avata 360 is said to have a 1-inch image sensor capable of recording 6K video at 60 frames per second with HDR support and full omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. Such features suggest DJI is targeting creators, filmmakers, and content producers who want cinematic and VR-style aerial footage. Previous rumors hinted at dual 1/1.1-inch sensors and potential 8K 360-degree recording, which raises questions about whether this leak reflects a final model or an early prototype. There could also be region-specific variations being tested ahead of the official launch. Even with some uncertainty, the possibility of a 6K HDR 360-degree drone under $500 has the community buzzing. Pricing is perhaps the most eye-catching detail. If DJI delivers a full-featured panoramic drone at this price, it could make 360-degree aerial filming far more accessible. Competitors like the anti-gravity A1 cost much more when bundled with similar features and accessories. Some analysts suggest these prices may be placeholders for the Chinese market and could increase internationally due to tariffs, certifications, and import fees. Even if the price rises slightly, the rumor signals DJI's intention to offer professional-level performance without the traditional high cost, potentially opening the door for more creators to access advanced drone technology. This leak comes at a critical time for DJI in the United States. Upcoming FCC regulations in late 2025 will prevent certain foreign manufacturers from gaining approval for new drone models after December 23, 2025. With DJI holding around 70% of the US drone market, it could be the most affected. Current drones will still be legal to use and sell, but once existing stock depletes, no new DJI models will be approved. Auto Robotics, another major Chinese brand, faces similar challenges, though its enterprise focus may reduce the impact proportionally. Smaller international brands like Parrot, Unique, Potensic, Holy Stone, Wingtra, and Sensefly will experience less disruption due to their smaller US market share. Conversely, US-based manufacturers such as Skidio, Freefly Systems, Teal Drones, Airverment, Brink, Hilio, and Zipline are unaffected and may benefit from the regulatory shift, gaining opportunities to capture customers seeking domestic alternatives. The FCC's rules are rooted in national security concerns about foreign-made wireless communication devices, especially when one company dominates a significant portion of the market. Importantly, existing DJI drones remain legal, allowing current owners to continue flying without restrictions. As DJI faces uncertainty, other drone brands are stepping up. The Potensic Atom 2 has emerged as a solid beginner-friendly option. Weighing under 250 grams, it avoids FAA registration for recreational flights and records sharp 4K video at 30 frames per second. It includes GPS, smart flight features, and subject tracking, something DJI's Mini 4K lacks. At around $359, it's an affordable entry-level option, and it comes with a free 45-minute filmmaking course to help users master cinematic angles and editing techniques. For those who prefer automated filming, the Hover Air X1 series offers Follow Me drones that track subjects in motion without manual piloting. The series includes the base X1 at $279, the X1 Pro at $499 with 4K 60 frames per second recording, and the top-tier X1 Pro Max at $699 with 8K 30 frames per second and 4K HDR. Reviewers praise its sharp image quality, precise tracking, and smart flight modes, though its 1,000-foot range makes it better suited for close-range action rather than long-distance aerial shots. The futuristic anti-gravity A1 is another standout. Its dual-camera design, top and bottom, allows creative multi-angle shots and can automatically remove itself from footage for invisible drone effects. It offers stable flight, long battery life, and intelligent modes like automatic takeoff, landing, obstacle avoidance, and waypoint navigation. The companion app provides real-time video and camera adjustments, making it perfect for creators seeking cinematic results without heavy equipment. Even with DJI's uncertain US presence, the global drone market remains strong. Competition is fierce, technology is advancing, and drones are increasingly accessible to creators of all levels. Whether you're a filmmaker capturing cinematic landscapes, a hobbyist exploring your creativity, or a traveler documenting adventures, options abound. The rumored Avata 360, if real, could be a game-changer, offering professional-grade features at a competitive price. As 2025 and 2026 approach, the drone industry is clearly entering a new era. DJI's influence remains significant, but competitors are pushing the envelope in automation, AI-powered flight, and affordability. This means more choices, smarter technology, and greater creative freedom for users worldwide. The sky is no longer limited to a few elite pilots. It's open for anyone ready to explore. With the potential arrival of the Avata 360 and the rise of innovative competitors, the future of aerial creativity looks brighter than ever.